Bruce here with another quick and easy, fast and greasy Mosin again video. Today, how to set your protrusion gauge. Oops, turn that monitor around. How to set your protrusion on your Mosin bolt. First, you need to get a kit. Something. And what we need is the protrusion tool / screwdriver from the kit. Now, you're going to want the 4-notch version. Disregard the 1-notch, unless you want to wear it, whatever. We need the 4-notch. Not foreskin, 4-notch. Now, when you think of this gauge, think of football, and you're going to bet. You got a certain category, over and under. This protrusion gauge fits that precisely. You want to bet the over and under. Okay. Now, these outside notches will fit on the bolt. Boom. So you can go down. Got it? You can go here, you can go here. There will always be something to get into that rim. So it's down. Now this short one, the very short gauge, got it? That's our over. The pin must protrude over. Alright, well, we got to get there first. So now, it goes from a cocked position. This is the relaxed, uncocked position. Twist, there you go. Go careful, or you're going to slide up and down out of here. Boom, all the way down. Good. Now your pin is protruding. Good. So once again, small notch. You need a rocking motion like this. The gauge should not sit like that flat. As long as you're over and you got that wobble, you've met the over. Now we got to go for the under. That's the big gauge. Go like here. If it sits like that and does not hit, go down low. Ooh, and make sure it doesn't touch that gauge. Now you've met the under. You've met the over and under. Your gauge is now good to go. Now, if for some reason you had to adjust it from this cocked position, you can now raise the bolt connector rod and the head, and this you can adjust with your screwdriver. Now here's something most people don't tell you. Well, once again, you can screw it in or out as you need. Now set the bolt back. Whoops. Get in there. There we go. Back to the cocked there position. Now if you look here, most factory bolts are already set. You've got the screw slot and you've got the marks. When it is flush to the surface and the marks are lined, that is the factory default setting. 99 times out of 100, it's perfect. You don't have to mess with it. But this is something that's always good to check out. Get to know and love your Mosin again. Once again, quick and easy, fast and greasy. And as always, drink more shine and eat more bacon. Happy Thanksgiving.